Introducing a revolutionary wheel repair system refined with industry-leading methods. This system is for anyone looking to get into the wheel repair industry or for businesses looking to add to their current services. This system can be fully mobile or part of a workshop. We provide full training and onboarding. Here we have some standard gutter rash. After a quick clean using our all-in-one trolley that comes pre-packed with all the correct sanding materials, the sanders and the spray guns, here we're removing the damage quickly and efficiently. After this, we carefully mask up the area or we use our specialty spray cards to stop overspray getting onto the rest of the vehicle. Now the game changer, introducing our wheel paint system. This kit comes complete with 20 mixable base colors and tinters, a scale, the color swatch cards, and our color spectrometer. This allows you to get the correct color match instantly. Simply turn on the Spectro, put it against the wheel. The app will give you the color code. You then enter the amount of paint you want to mix. The app will then give you the exact color mixing ratios. Now simply spray the paint onto the wheel, then apply our special quick dry clear coat. And here you have it, the job done in less than 20 minutes from start to finish. What a game changer.